stop the scamming. There's other ways to be nyamming. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, and more life and more joy. Yeah. Now, I want to leave a comment in the box, families and friends, and tell me why Jamaicans love to scam so much. Especially these young men. Why them have to choose scamming? Why them have to choose defrauding elderly people out of them hard working money? And some of these people just want somebody to talk to. Imagine if I your mommy or your granny, these young men call up and take off over 200,000 after them. Families and friends, them say the elderly them will lose over 3 billion for the year. You hear me? 3 billion. Now, I and I man's been looking at this. I've been looking at this artist for the last, I would say, 3 months or so. Yeah, her name is Felicia Gooden. We all know her by the name of Lisa Hyper. And I man want to be one of the first right here for report say, if you know this lady here, more want to check on her. More want to specifically check on her mental health. Because the way I see her carrying on, I wonder if she have a serious situation going on with her mental. Because I noticed that rumor has it says that she's not doing so well right now. You are going to the last post I saw on her TikTok was yesterday or so, or a day or so. But comments also, there are other fans that are commenting on Lisa Hyper because they're leaving comments of concerns. Because I knew that Lisa loved Kartel and had some kind of relationship with Dexter Daps. And since I see Addy forward a road, I see her move certain way. And I see an article drop about her, so I just want to feel like read a little article and see what the eye themselves will not agree. Because the female dancehall artist named Lisa Hype, real name Felicia Gooden, has shared strange contents online. I'm wanting to make me know if you think so the content she been sharing recently is strange or on the things she just vent. Now initially she shared a nude photo of herself, which she said it was uploaded by a mistake. Early Tuesday morning, she returned to more posting as she left many fans asking what a guan pan what a guan. And the artist recount being spiritually attacked 4 times and highlighted that the attacks usually happen whenever she's seeking or seeing growth in her career, starting with her collaboration with Marion Hall, who went by the name of Lady Saw at one time. Her latest social media post started with the caption, "Too coward fi face me," as she promote her latest song, Soul Cry. Wanna hear that? Too coward fi face me. And Soul Cry. The post also featured several photos of her childhood. The post caused mixed reaction, with most of the comments showing concern or criticizing her latest action online. Somebody need to take our phone, one person commented on the Instagram post. In support of Lisa, another individual said, "Just know say you here for a reason, never forget that." Now, She also shared a video of herself singing Buju Banton hit song, Wanna Be Loved. As she smoked a cigar, a photo of her holding baby was shared. She post also prompted mixed reaction. All right. Her post said, them did have to free you at Buju Banton. Your column in a this. Blackface, 7 heart emoji. Me nah have time for play fool for catch wise. Me nah have time for waste. And me nah have bumbaras clad fool down in the right thing a F up cause me are the most wanted in the world. Hashtag no cap. Now, other fans ask Lisa Hype, are you okay? Others says, I'm confused.com. And others says, this is a cry for help. So I want you to make me know what a go on, what a go on. Now I noticed there on the screen, you see her smooching up to Dexter Daps. And that leads me to the next post. Because she posts something that I didn't really know. It appears that she lost her child. Can me not too in it like that? Lisa Hype post. Continue to wash over mommy and daddy, my beautiful prince. Morales era Gradison, who would have been 5 this month. They know not what they have done. I cry about you every day. Your eyes were so beautiful, just like your dad's. Jesus, have mercy on them. Then aside, you don't deserve it, my baby. Shake my head. Jesus, me need you comfort, Lord. I love you, Luis Anthony Gradison Jr., more than you'll ever know. Listen, this part. She said, I love you, Luis Anthony Gradison Jr., more than you'll ever know. Him couldn't beat out the love when me have for you out of me. So I want to know if you clarify that there, so. Me don't know who named Luis Anthony Gradison Jr. Because I see she mentioned Morales area Gradison. And say the baby would have been 5 this month. Then she said, they don't know what they have done. I cry about you every day. Your eyes were so beautiful, just like your dad's. So it seems like Lisa Hype had a rough relationship either with Dexter Dapp or somebody else, and this has caused some kind of emotional instability or depression. I'm just making my outside evaluation. The post goes on to quote the scripture saying, Lord, how many are my foes? How many rise up against me? Many are saying of me, God will not deliver me, deliver him. But you, Lord, are a shield around me, my glory, the one who lifts my head high. I call out to you, Lord, and he answered me from his holy mountain. I lie down and sleep. I wake again because the Lord sustained me. I will not fear, though tens of thousands of my allies are around every side. Arise, Lord, deliver me, my God. Strike all my enemies on the jaw. Break the teeth of the wicked. Others posted underneath, "Condolences, Lisa. It's never easy losing a child. Love and strength. Janosis," with a crying emoji. Another said, "I did Dexter Dap, baby. That's what I want to find out." And the other one said, "LMAO. Who stole this girl phone?" They're getting emotional now. Now the article continues to say, while Lisa struggles or suggests that she's talking about Dexter Dap, many people believe that she's acting out because Kartel did not take care of her or take her to Los Angeles with her to the Grammy Award. One person left a comment saying, "It hurt Lisa, said she was there for a Kartel back. And I'll know when you look as I see them and Kartel. I reach the Grammy Award. Hush ya, remember Shorty even there before you see him where." Lisa did not make that statement slide. She replied saying, "Shorty there before who? Idiot gal. Make a duck addy from Miss 16. Shorty come after me. Chai bumba rascal no. Ratted." Lisa Hyper also responded to several other comments. It hurt Lisa, say she was there before Kartel Black and see them just reach at the Grammy Award. Hush, hush. Behave yourself, another said. Me have to make you know. The lineup plus who heap a gal in a the middle field. Like myself, yeah. Lisa need to find a real lasting love. Raising Kartel's love for a minute of shine. Dig a deep hole. Man don't want her. Kartel will never switch from see them for Lisa. He knows better, and she gotta know what's best for her. Now Lisa shoot back and say, "Shorty there before who? Idiot gal. Shorty there before who? And me did it with her. With Kartel from 16. People in a year what go on, what a go on." So it appears that Lisa really needs some kind of support, people. I don't know, joking thing. Lisa needs some kind of support. Because at the end of the day, we can't allow this girl to, fall off the emotional deep end and then take it for joke. You are guaranteed. So if there's anyone out there that knows Lisa Hype, just be a strong support and a good friend for her and give her some proper and decent advice.